The JSON add function adds a new field or updates an existing field with a specified value in a JSON document. JSON string is a string representation of the JSON document. Reference is the location where the value will be added or updated. Value is a string or numeric value that is assigned to the reference. This function is only available in a Turbo Integrator. In this example, I am building a JSON file from scratch using the JSON add function, and then export it to a JSON file to view the result. The first line initializes the JSON document with the reference address and assigns it the string value localhost. The second line adds a new reference user with a string value admin. The third adds another reference port with a numeric value 8010. Finally, the variable sjson string is exported to a file named tm1params.json. Let's run the process and then view the JSON file. After executing the process, the JSON file will look like this.